Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. From our previous videos, you can know where and how to download your favorite books to read and enjoy them. So today, let's know about a community where bookworms and book lovers from all over the world gather online to discuss their favorite artists and books. One of such popular book community is Goodreads, a social networking site just for the book lovers where we can find new releases, popular books, discuss about books, keep track about your current read, make a list of books you want to read, get recommendations through your preferences and whatnot. To go to Goodreads website, type goodreads.com in your browser and press OK. This will directly take you to the home page if you have already signed up and have an account on Goodreads. As you can see, this home page is just like your social media account. We can see different options provided like My Books, Browse and Community. In Browse, we can get recommendations of books according to our interest. Choice Award Books contains books that was most voted for each genre, as you can see. Here, we can mark the books as read, currently reading, want to read to add it to our book list and shelf. In giveaways, we can see the giveaway of books organized by the authors. New release contains new released books of every genre arranged by each month. Lists contains books sorted by readers according to their interest, such as new horror for your Halloween list or couldn't put the book down list, etc. and they are voted upon. Explore contains different articles on books and collections, and Books and Reviews contains news about books and interviews of authors. Community has groups or clubs you can join according to your preference, as where all the bookworms assemble. You can even search the group according to your preference and even create one. Discussions over topics or books that book lovers discuss. Quotes contains different popular quotes popular on Goodreads from different books and writers. One can search quotes according to the tags associated to them. Ask the Author gives us the facility to ask the questions we want to the featured artists of Goodreads. In People, we can find the top readers, top reviewers, top librarians on the Goodreads. Now, if we go back to the home page, we can see our bookshelf where we can sort our preferred books as we want to read, currently reading, and read. And also see books of different genre trending on Goodreads, and we can add them to same. We can see recommendations according to our already read and rated books. It also gives us option to find our currently reading books and mark our progress. As we can see, our Goodreads account can be connected to our Facebook account, so we can easily find our friends here and even make new people. We can also connect our Kindle account to our Goodreads account to maintain our progress of our reading list. Goodreads does not mainly provide reading services, so there are only few books that are available to read here. Hope you like the video and find it useful. For more videos like this, please comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you soon!